Welcome students. Today we shall learn how to draft an advertisement for the classified column to let or for rent. When you want to rent out something, you write the advertisement under the heading to let, and when you want something on rent, you write an advertisement under the heading for rent. Understand more clearly with examples. See the question number 1. You want to let out first floor of your house. Draft an advertisement for the same giving all necessary details. Word limit 50. Make a box. Write heading to let TOLET in the middle of the line in capital letters. You will start with the same word to let. First floor 150 square feet area, 2 BHK, fully furnished, regular water and power supply, usable roof, underground car parking available, owner live on ground floor, rent 15K per month, fixed, not negotiable, genuine tenant, may visit at C36 sector 51 Noida or contact 9434362118. It is very similar to the advertisement which you have already done for sale, because you are giving the description of the first floor of your house which you want to rent out. You have given the description of the floor, area 150 square feet, fully furnished 2 BHK, the feature regular water supply and regular power supply, usable roof. In some big cities, roof is not usable, but here the feature is it can be used. Underground car parking available, which is very important feature in big cities, in metro cities. What about first floor? Owner live on ground floor. It is clear. Rent 15K per month, that is fixed. Genuine tenant means really those who want to take it on rent, they may visit at C36 sector 51 Noida. You have given your address and your contact number 9434362118. I hope it's clear. Now see the next number 2, for rent. Draft an advertisement as you want a shop for rent. You are Amit or Amita. Make a box, write heading for rent, FORRENT, all are in capital, in the middle of the line. In board examination, you get 1 mark for format, and format includes box and the heading. Again, you will start from the left corner with the same word for rent. A shop at least 40 square feet, fully furnished, suitable for general store, near main market, Rajiv Society Kanpur, no security deposit, only 1 month advance rent, maximum 5,000 per month. Please contact Amit or Amita, E19 Gangapur Colony, Kanpur, mobile 9438261285. Here you want a shop on rent. You have given the detail of your requirement. You want the shop for general store. It should be near main market. Area should be at least 40 square feet. And you are not interested in giving any security deposit, means advance security. Only 1 month advance rent you can give, and maximum 5,000 per month, not more than that. You have given your name, your address or contact number. If still there is any doubt, any confusion, please write in the comment section. There is one question in home assignment for you. Anand from New Street, Kamal Nagar, Agra, wants to let out his house. Draft an advertisement giving all necessary details, word limit 50. Well students, best of luck. I am waiting for your responses. Please write in the comment section your doubts, your queries, your responses. Thank you. Have a nice day.